Welcome to Asmk. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about starts with and ends with methods in Python. The starts with and ends with are string method that returns true if a specified string starts with or ends with a specified value. For example, if we want to return all the names in a list that start with character T, we are going to use starts with to accomplish that, and we are going to use list comprehension. So we are going to have our list of names. Tom, Peter, Tim, John, and Mike. We are going to use starts with in list comprehension, and we get the new list. So the list of names which starts with the character T. So let's have our list, and for x in names, if x starts with, we are comparing each element with the character T, and then get a list of those names, and at the end we're just going to print our list. So let's run our script, and we are just going to run. And here is the list of names which start with character T. Now we are going to use ends with the method. Uh, we are going to have a list of name which ends with R. So let's try that. So we are going to have animal names, and this will be tiger and eagle. Just going to make it all lowercase for simplicity. Eagle, and then we are going to have rooster, and we are going to use lion, and now we are going to use the list comprehension with the ends with method. So our list 2 will be I for I in animal names if I ends with, now we are comparing each element and with character with R, and we are just going to print out our list. So this will be print list 2, and now we have list of names which ends with character R. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Awesome, good. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.